Hey guys, I'm at Line-X in Knoxville, Tennessee, and I bought a bedliner for this '07 Chevy truck. I'm going to show you before and after. Thought you might get a kick out of it. As you know, I ain't had this truck very long, so trying to make improvements. But I'm up here and these folks are really nice. So I'll show you what it looks like when they get done. Just hang on. I guess while we're here, we'll just show you some of the accessories you can buy at Line-X. I've never been here before myself, so you and I can both look at all this stuff together. That's kind of cool. I've never seen that before.
What's
Yeah.
your submodel on? What submodel is it?
Not much in on
Is it XL, XLT?
Oh yeah. Which one you like? The one that just kind of opens up one of the...
So, it's a 20, 40, 20.
That's kind of nice, isn't it?
Fold down console, adjustable headrest, and the shoulder belt is
Wonder if
inside
he's-
the seat.
Wonder if he's locked.
These down here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's kind of... Hey, that's pretty nice, isn't it? I'd like to have one of them. That's really nice.
That's retractable.
It's pretty neat to go over your grill. It says GMC. Never seen that before.
Put it in, you're probably looking about $80.
We don't get out much, do we?
I got about an hour to install. Take my guy about an hour to install.
That's pretty nice there, Rita.
Yeah.
Line-X
Yeah,
Knoxville,
pretty nice.
Thank you.
Okay, hang on. Okay, guys, this just took a few minutes. Look what a difference it made. This is awesome. I like this. It really made a big difference in the bed and covered up a lot of the scratches and stuff that was in the bed. So I don't have to worry about that now. So it's all good. Anyway, once again, I'm at Line-X, Knoxville, Tennessee. Hope y'all's having a great day. Please like and subscribe if you would. And I'm on Instagram, Primer Is Best, all one word, and Facebook. Thanks a lot, guys. Appreciate it.